Paw 5. And I don't know about you guys, but I used to get advent calendars all the time. I still have gotten a couple of advent calendars, one specifically being the Body Shop one. And I don't know, as an adult now, do we really have to wait for Christmas? So if you guys are looking to pick up a Body Shop advent calendar, I am going to reveal all of the contents inside of it for you and tell you if it is really worth what it says it's worth. So the Body Shop says that the value of the contents is $377. I'm going to reveal each day what's inside. So if you are looking to be surprised by the advent calendar from the Body Shop, do not watch the rest of this video because, spoiler alert, we're going to open every single one. I also wanted to send a little thank you to everybody for tuning in to Vlogmas. If you guys are here, thank you so much for hanging out with me for the holidays. But today, we are going to be adult rebels. Day 1 is all the way at the bottom. I do like how they come in boxes though, and not like the poppy things where you have to pull out the cardboard. That was the one I got last year. So day 1. So day 1 is a vanilla marshmallow shower gel. I really like that on the back of the boxes, they have these little quotes and tips. This one's meditate in nature. Unwind your busy week with 10 minutes of gentle breathing. That actually seems more like the advent calendar I need than the products. Oh, I'm excited about this one. This is the French grape seed body scrub. I can't find 3. Oh, there's 3. Lash mascara. I have fake eyelashes on, so I probably won't be using that. Recyclez vos pores vides. Oh, that's the French side. This is their Berry Bonbon body butter. This is like Christmas, but not Christmas. I love it. I love being an adult. So this is the Ethiopian green coffee firming body lotion. Ooh, I like the smell of that one. 6. Oh, I was gonna say for a minute there, I thought this was like one of those Chinese calendars that doesn't have the number 6 and the number 13 and the number 4 in it. Ooh, this one is a black eyeliner. I always need a good black eyeliner, although I don't like the ones that you have to sharpen like this, so I probably won't use that too much. These are really large boxes for such small things though, I must say. Ooh, it's a brush. Can always use a new eyeshadow brush. This is one of their hand creams. I think this is the Satsuma. Oh no, it's mango. Box number 9 is a hefty one, and there is a full size in here. This looks like a full size soothing and restoring body lotion, 48-hour lightweight moisture. I am excited for the rest of the big boxes now. So in this box is the green tea, Fuji green tea conditioner and shampoo. Box number 11, my friends. Lip gloss, I think. I don't really know about this color. It's Orange Lollipop, which I feel like isn't really my shade, but I'll give it a try. All right, 12. Adriatic Peony Body Wash. All right, this one is the Body Shop, ooh, Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. I actually have used this before and really like it. The Japanese Camellia Velvet Moisture Body Cream. I haven't smelled this one before. I've actually never smelled that before, but I really like it. 15 is a full-size version too of the Moringa Shower Gel. Not my scent, but smells nice. Very, very powdery of a floral scent. 16 here is, ooh, Youth Bouncy Sleep Mask. This looks like the full-size version of it too. That is real nice. This is actually a gift in and of itself. All right, 17. We're getting so close to Christmas. A full-size British Rose Petal Soft hand cream. I actually really like the British Rose one. They actually, I found out that they have their own rose farm in the UK, which I thought was really nice. I feel like as we go further down closer to Christmas, things are getting to be more full-sized. 18, okay, not full-size, but is a Shea body butter in the Shea flavor. 19 feels full-size. Yes, it is their youth cream, And this is their full-size bottle. I think this has the glass one in it as well. Yes. So number 20 is another lip gloss. This is a matte lip liquid. I like this berry shade though. I feel like this will look better on me than the coral. What do you guys think? Guys, this is the box situation happening here. Luckily, everything looks like it's recyclable, so that's good. 21 is Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. Okay, 22. Ooh. Oh, this is the body yogurt. This is the Moringa body yogurt. Again, not really a fan of this scent, but oh, it actually smells a little bit better in the body yogurt, but full size. 23. Ooh, the Purifying Glow Mask. The Himalayan charcoal mask. This is one of my favorite face masks ever. I'm so glad. And they put a full size version in here. This is definitely a happy Merry Christmas right before Christmas. Get your glow on before Christmas. All right, we're at 24. We're at Christmas Eve. Hi, Santa. It is the Oils of Life Intensely Revitalizing Facial Oil. And we are at our very last one, friends. We are at 25, Christmas Day. I'm excited. This is a big news. Oh, so cute. It comes with the British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask after those feasts. And this headband. I love it. Am I supposed to be a reindeer? Is this what this is? Okay, so I was just cleaning up and I realized that all the boxes, when you put them together, make for a cute animal puzzle. This is the best surprise ever. So this is everything all in one gigantic pile. And that is it for the Body Shop Advent Calendar Deluxe Supreme, I don't know, reveal. I hope I didn't spoil it for anybody. I hope that you guys ended the video if you are looking to be surprised by your Body Shop Advent Calendar. But if you are looking to pick one up and you wanted to make sure that it was worth it, it is definitely one that I would recommend. I think it's much better than theirs last year. There's a lot more full-size versions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full-size versions in the 25 days. So I think that that's pretty worth it. There's a good mix of makeup and beauty, travel sizes, as well as just overall full-size beauty. But I hope you guys liked this. If you did and you like Vlogmas, make sure to give this video a big inspired thumbs up. Comment below, let me know if you've ever tried an advent calendar, as well as if you have any favorite Body Shop products. My personal ones are their face masks, and apparently now this really cute reindeer headband. I hope you guys have an incredible and inspiring day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Tomorrow? Bye!